Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing. Going to try to give you this plant outside update, so it's going to be kind of loud here as there's people, trucks coming through. As you can see, there's a truck coming through right now on this gorgeous, glowing, sunny day in late October, approaching 2/3 of the way through the fall time season as a semi truck comes by right now. As we let her travel on by, you can see the XRP price is continuing to get rejected up here around that 50 cents level, right? You're gonna have to bear with me as I try to do these updates outside of a plant the next 2 months. But you can see we're continually getting rejected up there, right? And what we were talking about this weekend is we could be consolidating for a pump up there to that 66 cents. But we were saying it could come down here first, right? It could do something like that and then have a big bear market rally up into this area, or even just down there back up into here in the classic hook nose Jew bearish reversal pattern, right? You can see how that would happen there, but that would still be a pretty big pump. If we did come down to the 37 cents back to the 50, that would be a 35% pump and get a lot of excitement going on. So that's what we're currently watching in the XRP price is, do we stay below these moving averages right here in the 2 and 3 hour time frame and get rejected down here to the 37 cents, as has been going an ongoing target since we've been up into there, and then come back up and rally up into this region and possibly this region? Or are we going to stabilize and shoot up into here, right? We're going to continue to watch and see how this develops, as the US dollar today has primarily been down after it opened up down last night, had a little bit of a pump overnight, and then you can see now it's come down in the recent time. You can see what it did last night. Had a little bit of a pump. Where are we at? The 24th, right there. It had a little bit of a pump right there, and now it's starting to come back down again. So that's not really giving us any strong signal that the cryptos would be crashing today, as the signal out of there, what I like to call the US dollar oscillation, is neutral today, right? But you can see the coins have come down slightly. But we were talking about that yesterday, that was possible. You can see the Bitcoin price last night did pump back up, got over the major moving averages, got up into here again, but just like here, rejected, 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 sitting back on the same area we've been on since about early to mid-June, right? And the same technical analysis applies right now on this shorter time frame update. 19,000 major support, 16,000 major next drop zone, next level down, the bottom part of this blue support zone. Right now we're at the top part at 19,000, but if we fall through this area, we're coming down to the bottom side at 16,658 and 11 cents. And then we have this as our upper resistance, major upper resistance, 24,837, right? And then if we look at an altcoin, we'll go look at the Doge. People like the Doge. Before I gotta go, the Doge. You can see the Doge over here is still in the same area, right? We're still below the moving averages. We got rejected again right there. 5.5 cents is your major underneath support, and 7.25 cents is your major overhead resistance. And you need to get above these moving averages right there if you're trying to hook up to the upside, or you're going to be forced down to the underneath support. Like, subscribe, and share. Pieces and love.